Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Your O&M team is fixing the loudest defects, not the most expensive ones. Here's how to flip that. A cracked module gets fixed immediately because it looks broken. But a 5 degrees Celsius hotspot on an inverter bus bar often gets a quarter later response. That crack might cost €200 in lost generation. The hotspot could cost €15,000 in inverter replacement. We rank defects by how they feel, not by what they actually cost. At ClearSpot, we built an AI-driven defect ranking system used across over 2 gigawatts of solar assets. Step 1 is defect detection using drones and AI. Thermal imaging identifies temperature anomalies. Electroluminescence imaging finds micro cracks and cell failures. RGB captures physical damage, soiling, and shading. Step 2 is Euro impact calculation using AI agents. The AI calculates current power loss times electricity price to estimate yearly loss. It models degradation acceleration to see if a defect will make other modules fail faster. It assesses failure risk like probability of fire or arc faults, and associated insurance and downtime costs. It compares repair cost against total lifetime loss with a net present value calculation. Step 3 produces a priority score equal to total euro loss over asset life divided by repair plus downtime cost. A high score means fix now, and a low score means monitor. Here is a real example on a 50 megawatt site with 500 defects identified. Traditional emotional ranking put 12 cracked modules first, causing €2,400 per year loss. Traditional ranking had 3 inverter hotspots that were not visually alarming but caused €18,000 per year loss. It also logged 85 soiled modules causing €6,800 per year loss. ClearSpot AI ranked by euros, so the top priority became the 3 inverter hotspots at €18,000 per year, and €5,000 repair cost with a priority score of 45. Next was a combiner box showing a pre-arc signature with 0 current loss today, but a 60% failure risk equal to a €75,000 event, and a score of 38. Cleaning the 85 soiled modules ranked third with a 22 score. The 12 cracked modules fell to fourth with a score of 5. Traditional O&M would have fixed the cracked modules first. Euro-based ranking saved €18,000 in year 1 alone by fixing the hotspots first. ClearSpot automates this by feeding drone inspections into an AI defect classifier. Each defect is auto-tagged with type, severity, location, yearly euro loss, and a repair cost estimate. An agentic workflow then creates ranked work orders by euro impact. O&M teams receive a fix this order list instead of a defect photo dump. CFOs get a dashboard that says fixing the top 10 defects equals €47,000 saved for €12,000 invested. Managing a portfolio over 30 megawatts, you can get a free Euro-ranked defect analysis on one of your sites. Visit ClearSpot.ai and request your defect ROI report to see which defects are costing you the most and what to fix first. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.